Good sunrise. As young people begin to form their identities, bragging and bullying can start to set in, which can lead to discrimination.
A group at UVA researchers is studying this issue, and their findings reveal something surprising about discrimination. NBC 29's Whitney Harris is live in our Charlottesville newsroom to show us what they found. Good morning, Whitney.
Good morning, Jen. The research, which was conducted by a UVA associate professor and a UVA student, looks at discrimination not between people of different races, but between people of the same race. Now, the researchers say that this could be an issue that's particularly important for areas like Charlottesville. The research began by asking Black college students in our area about their experiences with discrimination. And the issue of being discriminated against by members of their own race came up in every single discussion. So that's when researchers began focusing specifically on that issue. They conducted a survey with more than 200 Black students, and the results, 60% said they had experienced some type of discrimination within their own racial group.
If you're rejected by somebody from your own group, it might actually be more hurtful than if you're rejected by somebody from an out group.
So based on how frequently individuals were accused of acting white, that was associated with more depressive symptoms, more anxiety symptoms, and more emotional problems.
Now, the researchers say that in districts with a lot of diversity like Charlottesville, people are actually more likely to be aware of differences between racial groups, and that means that this could be more of an issue in areas like Charlottesville. The research is now under review for publication in major academic journals, and the researchers are currently conducting additional research looking at follow-up questions so they can expand their understanding of this issue. As early as this spring, they're going to start maybe interviewing middle school students about their experiences with discrimination, and that's because most of the respondents for this survey said that middle school is when most of these issues started. Jen?
Right, an interesting study.